Hi everyone, welcome back. It's great to be able to come back on here and bake again because for the last 2 weeks I've had no electricity and haven't been able to use my oven. It's Valentine's Day Friday, so I'm going to make a beautiful cake for you all. So if you want to try it, you'll have enough time to get it ready for Valentine's Day. The cake I'm making is called a Persian Love Cake. I know some of you have probably never heard of a Persian Love Cake. Well, this is a beautiful, rich, fragrant cake. There's lemon zest in there, orange zest, ground almonds, a little rosewater. If you don't have the rosewater, it doesn't make a huge difference, but it is a beautiful cake for a special occasion. All right, everyone, so the cake is very easy to make. In here, I've got some lovely soft butter, and I'm gonna add in sugar. Going to mix this up for about 2 minutes till it's nice and soft and fluffy. That's perfect. I'm going to add 1 egg at a time while I beat them in. So there's the first one. I'm going to add all my lovely citrus flavours. So my first one is orange zest, lemon zest, lemon juice, orange juice, and some rose water. If you don't have the rose water, don't worry about it. I just have this because I made a Turkish delight cheesecake. So I'm going to put some of that in there. It doesn't make a huge difference if you don't have it. And I'm going to mix this together. It smells gorgeous. You can smell all those lovely citrus flavours. All right, so into here I'm going to add in plain flour, sieve this as well. Some baking powder, a little bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. I'm using cinnamon. You can use cardamom, dried cardamom if you have it either. And my ground almonds. So fold all that in. My last ingredient is sour cream. You can use natural yogurt either. So get that all in there. That's all nicely folded in now, so I'm just going to set it to one side. I have my 8-inch tin here and I've greased it and lined it. I'm going to get all this in here now. And spread it out right to the edges. And that's it, that's my cake ready for the oven now. A very easy cake to make, so I'm going to get it into the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. I'll check it at 40 minutes with a skewer to see how it's getting on. So let's get it into the oven now. My Persian Love Cake is fully baked. It's a nice colour, smells so good. I've removed it from the tin, put it on a plate and it's cooled. So I'm going to put a glaze on top of this. To make the glaze, you just need some icing sugar. And into here I'm going to add in some lemon juice. You just have to be careful with how much you add. If you add too much and it's too runny, you can always add more icing sugar. I'm adding in some orange juice and a little bit of rose water. Give this a mix together and just see how we get on. If you need to add a little bit of extra lemon juice or orange juice, you can do that. And I think I'm happy with this kind of consistency. That's what you're looking for. So I'm going to get this onto my cake now. You want it to drip down the sides too. And there you have it. I'm going to leave this now for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want the glaze to just dry a little before I add the pistachios and the rose petals to it. All right, let's get the pistachios on. So I'm just going to decorate around the centre. I'm going to leave the edges here white with the icing. The colours from the pistachios are lovely. You You see the green and the pink and the purple and the pistachios. Now for the rose petals, I picked these up in Kate's Kitchen in Sligo. You can get them in a lot of places. They're actually for tea, but you can decorate cakes with them as well. These are very easily made if you've got your own roses at home. You can make some during the summertime. I'm going to add some of these to the top, just to cover the pistachios. There's a really nice smell of roses off them too. Beautiful. And that's it, my Persian Love Cake. Isn't it beautiful? The white icing over the cake is gorgeous, and then the combination of the pistachios, the colour from them and the colour from the rose petals is beautiful too. It's absolutely gorgeous. So all that's left to be done now is for me to cut a slice so you can see what the inside is like. Legend has it that a young lady made this cake. She was madly in love with the Prince of Persia, so she baked this cake, and all the ingredients in it were supposed to have magical enhancing properties. So it's a brilliant cake for Valentine's Day. This cake is beautiful, you can taste the citrus in there, a hint of nuttiness. It's soft, slightly dense and aromatic. Every bite is a perfect balance of sweetness and warmth. Hope you try out this Persian Love Cake. It's such a beautiful, fragrant bake. Don't forget to like, comment and follow for lots more delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.